In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a simple one-page brand guide in Canva. I have used this simple brand guide and I've established the brand just on one page. I have two logos. I have a stacked logo, and that means the graphic and the text are stacked on top of one another. And then I have an alternative version of this logo that's horizontal, and this often works better in more narrow spaces. I've established my fonts. These are Canva fonts, Lato Black, and I like to use all caps, and then Montserrat for my body copy. And then this is a color palette, and I have my color codes down here below. These are the hex codes that you would use for Canva or for a website. If you're doing any printing, you would want to establish what your CMYK colors are, and you could also put those here. So that is the one-page style guide. Click the link in the description below for a free one-page brand guide template in Canva. Follow Crye Studio for more graphic design and Canva tutorials. Thanks so much.